Gig Buddies covering North Wales are hiring!
Hey, we are looking for a volunteer coordinator to work for Gig Buddies in North Wales.
Gig Buddies Cymru are hiring!
Gig Buddies is an organisation that matches volunteers with people with a learning disability and or autism, and they get them matched and they can share those interests together.
Hi everyone, it's Harry here from Gig Buddies Cymru. Gig Buddies are hiring.
To find out more and apply, please visit lcw.org.uk/Gig Buddies Jobs, or phone 029 20 68 1160. Do it now, please. Please.
Whenever you're feeling low, you want to go out and see a show. You want to be out and about, well, you're in with a shout. All the cylinders are firing because Gig Buddies is now hiring.